How to change modes in DJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change the modes. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see this yellow like icon. Simply tap on this yellow like icon. Here, you'll be able to see different options like Starter, Classic and Automix. So these are the modes that are available. Now, if you have a Pro version, you can easily access Automix. But if you don't have it, basically you get Starter and Classic. Now simply tap on the one that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the whole interface has been changed. So this is the classic version of DJ. Here you can customize it classically and have different options too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.